PoshBot has a simple scheduling system to enable commands to be executed at certain intervals automatically. This snip will show you how to use that built-in scheduling system. Let's get started. To see all the available commands having to do with the scheduling system, you can run help schedule. PoshBot includes commands to create, get, set, disable, enable, and remove scheduled commands. You can see that when I run get scheduled command, we currently don't have any scheduled. Now let's get the help for a new scheduled command to see how it works. With this command, we have two different parameter sets listed under usage. We can either schedule a command to run at a certain interval, or we can schedule a command to execute only once after a certain start time. Let's go ahead and schedule the built-in status command to run every minute. Now that the command is scheduled, we should see it when we run get scheduled command. And if there were multiple commands scheduled, we can look at a specific one by passing in the schedule's ID. We'll let this command execute once, and then we'll change the schedule for it. Okay, the schedule has executed. Now let's change it to run less often. Let's get help on set scheduled command to see how it works. To change this schedule, we'll pass in the ID of the schedule and the interval and value parameters. Let's change the schedule to run once a day. And we can confirm the setting by running the get scheduled command again. If we don't want to remove a schedule, but just disable it, we can use disable scheduled command. And to enable a command, we can use enable scheduled command. And finally, to remove the command, there is remove scheduled command. And that's how you manage scheduled commands in PoshBot.